In March of 2020, I made a decision to start 2.0. I had a few great people around me that knew my history of real estate in Canada, and they wanted me to start my 2.0 right here in the Dominican Republic. I resisted for many reasons, mostly on a personal basis, to not start. But in the end, I made the commitment to make 2021 the most productive year of my life. Focused on happiness, team building, and coaching this team to be world class. All I asked for was 1 year of their commitment to me and the purpose of the team. And in the process of that commitment, I guaranteed them that I would improve their lives, and in turn, all of us would move forward to be the most productive team here in the Dominican Republic. Our goal was simple. We wanted to build a world-class team focused on happiness and customer service. And as a result, we attracted like-minded people within the team and outside of the team to support us in the process of becoming a respected player right here in the Dominican Republic real estate market. We set crazy goals way before we even started. We had no website, no team, no office, no chairs, no desk, nothing. And we set the goal high. And guess what? 11 months and 23 days later, we've achieved our goals. Now, we are an established real estate player in all beach zones of the Dominican Republic. We are ready to help you experience your version of 2.0. Whether you are going to relocate because you work online, or as a remote worker, you want to buy a second home for vacation, or you're ready to retire and truly start your 2.0. We're ready. We're here. We're a team of 11 people dedicated to help you in the process of becoming free. So the airports are open, ladies and gentlemen. North American flights are now back from Canada to the United States. They're arriving daily from Europe now. We're here to help. We can pick you up at any airport in the Dominican Republic, bring you to the destination of your choice, and most importantly, our team of 11 are here to help you establish your version of 2.0. So let's get going. And as we say in our team always and every day, life is better at the beach.